Good morning. How is everybody? It's 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm right here in Buck Creek Wayside. It's a really low tide, 1.6, minus 1.6. Yesterday was minus 2.4. That's spectacular. I'm gonna go to the cave. I'm gonna see the tide pools, see if we see sea stars. Going for a walk. I've been working like non-stop. It's a little bit overcast, it's foggy, but look like the sun is trying to get up. We're gonna try to have fun. It's cold, windy. I have coffee with me. I have bread pudding that my wife did for me, Lucy. And I hope so you enjoy the video. We are going to walk the beach. Woo! The wind is cold, freezing. Anyway, I hope so you guys enjoy. Let's go together. I'm gonna turn around the camera. I'm gonna show you how beautiful this area is. It's foggy right now, but it's gonna be lifting up. Hopefully I'll find a spot to make some coffee. Let's go. Oh, wow. Look at the sea stars. Oh my goodness. They are everywhere. This is like a tunnel. Wow. Sea star. Oh my goodness, that's a giant. Wow. All right, let me see how I can make it over there. Right there. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful. Let's check the cave. Whew. Buck Creek Wayside, beautiful cave. Let's walk in really quick. We are gonna keep going. Oh boy. It's full of rocks right now. Holy smoke. Wow. 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 It's a lot of rocks right now. Wow. Well, let's keep going. I have other places to go, enjoy. Woo. Look at how amazing this is right here.
Oh my God, it's beautiful.
It's beautiful, huh?
Beautiful.
Oh
Wow.
my God.
Look, they're there too, right? Yeah, yeah. Wow, thank you so much.
Neptune North. Ooh, yeah. Finally, the wind stopped, the fog lifted, and we are going for a hike. Finally, holy smoke! Oh no, the foggy is coming in. pretty windy. That wind is cold. I can't believe how cold that wind is. Oh. Ooh, yeah. Oh, let's see where we can go through here. Oh man. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh my gosh. Wow. Yeah, remember, this is the only way to go to the north side or North Neptune. There you go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Holy smoke. Whew. Whew, that was rough. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at the size of those logs. Holy smoke. Oh boy. That was a long hike. Oh, backed. Figured out how to come back. Whew. Ooh. Crossing the road. Oh yeah. Oh boy. Everything looks green. That looks like an opening right there. Let's check it out. Oh boy. We are in the middle of nowhere. It's pretty quiet right here. Oh boy, beautiful. I am in the middle of nowhere. Oh. Oh boy. Wow. Beautiful. Oh boy, I'm in the middle of nowhere. Walking down the creek. Actually, it's refreshing. We got foggy on the beach, so beautiful right here. I'm gonna find a place to cook, do some coffee. It's a beautiful creek, but it got stuck right here. It's a tree. I don't know if I can go through. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try to keep going and see what I am there. I don't know where I am, but I'm gonna try to figure it out. Well, oh yeah, I think we found, I'm walking on a dead tree. Oh, all right, there you go. I'm on my way back home. Make dinner for Lucy, my wife. I'm gonna walk my dog, Cookie. And hopefully we're gonna try a different day. Yeah, I went to check those tide pools and the fog came in. It got too late, so I'm on my way back to home. I got some good coffee. Well, my friends, I'm on my way home. Today, it didn't work out the way I was planning. I wasn't expecting to be foggy, windy, and cold today. I went to 3 different sites, trying to walk and check the tide pools. A few places with a little bit, where it got too foggy, too cold, and too windy. At least I did a little bit of hike. I'm on my way back. I'm gonna take my dog Cookie. I'm gonna walk her out around the neighborhood. I'm gonna make dinner. I will try my best next time to show you a place. Hopefully the weather cooperate and it's not as foggy as it was today. Like always, it's always a hope. Until next time, my friends. Until next time.